Hey everybody, and in today's video we are going to talk about the Moto G22, and I have to say this, it's a Pixel because it has stock Android and Android 12, which in this price range don't usually show up. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. A quick note before that, I actually have changed my upload schedule again. Actually my school has opened, so I will be uploading one video once a week. I will be uploading once a week instead of uploading every day like I used to do in my holidays. So that's the thing. And also this phone is a Pixel because it has stock Android, and as you can see on my Oneplus 2, as I don't really have the unit with me, so I am showing you my Oneplus 2, which runs on Pixy OS Android 9 Pie, because it is now not supported by any of the custom ROMs. It's pretty unfortunate, but I don't care. So it will pretty much look like this. And as I have seen a video before making this one, I have seen that there will be some extra features added by Moto, and I don't think they are really useless. I think they are really good for people like me who are tech savvy and who are tech nerds. Literally praising myself here, but I don't care. That's a rhyme. Oh, I don't care. Okay, let's get to the specs of this phone. This phone comes with a Mediatek G37, which is a gaming processor, hence the G in the processor name. And also it comes with 50 megapixel quad camera, which actually is 12 megapixel, and if you want to, then I will make a video on that, how it is 12 megapixel, 32 megapixel is actually 12 megapixel, and 64 megapixel is actually 20 megapixel or something. Companies are fooling us, but anyways, they have worked on the image processing, and also it comes with two macro cameras, 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Actually, I think that they are really heading towards a bright future for themselves, Motorola, as they don't really like shine in the industry right here. They used to just quietly release their phones and did not do anything, but now it seems that they will be making this company worth it. They will be making everything worth it. And also if you take into perspective your phone, which most probably is a Xiaomi phone, if you are a a person on a budget, then you will be using a Xiaomi phone, and it has a lot of bloatware and adware. As you can see, some people have also not see, like, there are really bad ads, and those are very vulgar, but I cannot show them because I don't want this video to get demonetized in the future, because I don't earn any money right now. So and speaking of that, you should totally subscribe to this channel, because I will be posting more content like this. And I really like the whole concept that, like, Pixel phones, they are usually very expensive, ranging from 30 to 50,000, and now they are coming on a budget. And speaking of the price of this phone comes at about 10,000 rupees, which if you apply all the bank offers, then it can come down to about 8,000, which in my opinion, if you get stock Android for 8,000 rupees, and you could get the whole screen real estate, and you could get the storage, everything. It also comes with 64 gigabytes of that, and it sounds like a pretty sweet deal to me. So that's what I would like to say about this phone. And as I mentioned in this video, my upload schedule has changed. So I suppose, like, because now I am in 8th grade, so it's pretty hard for me to post videos every day. I come from school, then I go ahead and study 3 hours. It's pretty tough. So I will try to do my best, and we can make this channel a huge success. Also, this video is very serious, so let's spice things up a bit and let's get to our goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. This is Ashmit, and we'll catch you in the next one.